Yo, what's up guys? Over the last few weeks I blew up this YouTube channel. I also already monetized it. And all of the videos on this channel are completely AI generated. So in today's video I want to show you exactly how you can make AI videos like this yourself and go viral. Nowadays a lot of people would rather make commentary or ranking videos because they think the AI niche is not monetizable. But in most cases, AI content is monetizable as long as you don't create low quality AI slop. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to start making viral AI videos and how you could build a profitable YouTube channel. The first thing you need to do is find a niche. I found the niche for my YouTube channel just by scrolling through the shorts feed and I came across channels like this one. This channel is posting these viral 3D animation psychology style videos where you get advice for everyday relatable situations. The videos use these really satisfying 3D characters and it's completely AI generated. As you can see, this channel is getting millions of views, so this would be a good niche to start in. Also, these videos are not made with low quality AI. They are actually well produced and that's why these videos are monetizable. Now I want to show you exactly how to make a video like this. And you can also use this same workflow for almost any AI video niche. This is definitely a more advanced AI niche, so you might think creating a video like this is really complicated. But there is a tool that lets you do almost everything in one place. It lets you create AI visuals, generate the voiceover, add subtitles and edit everything together inside one platform. And that tool is called Veed. This video is also sponsored by Veed. Veed is an all-in-one video creation platform that helps you create and edit AI videos faster. So for our AI video, we are going to need three main things: a script, the visuals, and then we need to edit the script and the visuals together into one final short form video. You always want to start with the script. Sign up to Veed, then head over to your dashboard and click on the AI script generator. Here you want to describe what your script should look like. In our case, we want one of these psychology style short form scripts. What you can do is paste in an example script and then tell it to change the topic. For example, here I have one script from one of my videos. I'm going to copy the script, paste it in here, and then write something like, please change the script and use the topic when someone makes fun of your height. Keep the same structure and style, but rewrite the whole script around this new situation. Then you can also select the style you want. I'm going to stay with casual and also general, but for example, if you make educational content, you could select something like student. For now, let's keep it like this and generate the script. Now we have our script and we can use this for our video. I personally like to improve the scripts myself a little bit because I like to add my own style and make the script slightly stronger. But you can also use the script exactly like this. Okay, now we want to copy our script, then go back to the homepage, click on edit video, and now we can start building our project. The next thing we need is a good voiceover. So head over to audio. Here Veed gives you different options. You can use voice cloning if you want to clone your own voice, which is pretty cool, but Veed also has a whole library of AI voices you can use. For this type of video, a deeper voice would work really well. So I will search for a deep voice. Here you can listen to different voices and choose the one that fits your video best. I think this one right here sounds pretty good, so I will use it. Now we paste in our script and generate the voiceover. As you can see, the voiceover appears now on the timeline and we can start editing it. The first thing we need to do is remove all of these little spaces in the voiceover. There are small pauses between the sentences and we want to get rid of them so the voiceover feels faster and cleaner. So just cut them out one by one. Okay, as you can see, the voiceover is now much cleaner and there are no big gaps between the sentences anymore. Now we can start creating the visuals. For this, head over to create and click on AI Playground. Here we can generate images and videos. The structure is simple. We have our script and for every sentences we will create one scene. For each scene, we will create one image and then turn that image into a video. So we are going to need prompts for every scene. And this is where we can use something like ChatGPT. All you have to do is paste in this master prompt. I will link it in the description. Then we copy the script we generated with Veed and paste it into ChatGPT. Now it will give us image prompts and video prompts for every scene. Here we have scene 1. This is the image prompt for scene 1. And if we scroll down a bit, this is the video prompt for scene 1. So we start with the image prompt. Copy the image prompt head back over to Veed, go to generate image and paste the prompt in. Veed has different AI model options, but I personally like Nano Banana for this style. Now paste in the prompt. You can either generate it directly, or if you want a result similar to mine, you can also use this reference image. I will include the reference image in the document linked in the description. Then all we have to do is create the image. Okay, this is the result we got. We have this image right here and it works perfectly for the scene. The script is about someone making fun of your height. So we have the red bigger figure and the blue smaller figure. Now we want to turn this image into a video. So copy the image, go to generate video and paste the image in. Next up, we need to select a video model. For this style, I like Kling 3 a lot, but there are other models inside Veed that can work as well. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt for scene 1, go back to Veed and paste the prompt in. For our scenes, we don't need sound, so we can turn that off. 5 seconds seems good for this scene, so we can leave the duration like that. Okay, let's check the result. This already looks pretty good. We have the red figure gesturing and we can definitely use that for the final video. So scene 1 is done and we can download it. Now go back to ChatGPT and move to the next scene. Here we could now create another reference image for scene 2, but we can also use the reference image we created for scene 1. If you want the cleanest result, you can create a new image for every single scene, but I want to show you that this workflow also works by using one reference image for all the video scenes. So we copy the video prompt for scene 2, paste it into Veed, use the image as a reference and generate the video again. Let's review it. We have the blue figure gesturing toward the red one. This result looks good too, so we can download it. Now we go back to ChatGPT, copy the next prompt, paste it into Veed and generate the next scene. Okay, now this will be our next scene. It looks good again, so let's download this one. Now we go back to ChatGPT, copy the scene 4 video prompt, paste it into Veed and generate the next video. If we check this one out, we now have the blue figure talking to the red figure and it fits perfectly with the script, because this is the part where the blue figure is speaking in the script. Now we have our final scene. Again, copy the prompt, paste it into Veed and generate the video. Okay, this is our last scene. Again, definitely looks good. Let's download it. Now we have all of our scenes finished and you can also access all of your generated images and videos in your asset library. So if you need to download them again later, you can do that here. And that's pretty much it for the visual generation part. Now we can start creating the actual video. Go back to the dashboard and open the draft where we already edited the voiceover. Now we want to import the videos. You can import your videos by clicking the plus icon, or if you generated them inside Veed like we did, you can add them directly from your assets. The next step is putting them into the correct order. So obviously we use the first scene for the hook, then the second scene for the second sentence and so on. Sometimes the clips are a little too long, so we need to trim them down. Just go through the timeline and line up the visuals with the correct voiceover. And just like that, we now added all our generated scenes onto the script. As you can see, there are still a few spaces that we need to fill, and I will show you how to do that now. For example, you can use a site like Pixabay to find free GIFs or clips that fit the voiceover. The important thing is that every visual should match what the voiceover is saying. So if the script talks about staying calm, you want to use a visual that creates that same calm feeling. Once you have the supporting visuals, import them into Veed and place them wherever they fit the script. And our video already looks pretty good. We have the AI generated clips, the supporting visuals and the voiceover. Now comes the final polish. Veed has a lot of useful tools that can help improve the video. For example, if you want to remove the background from a clip, you can select the clip, use the background remover, and as you can see, Veed removes the background from the scene. You don't need to use every single tool, but it's nice to have these AI editing features inside the same platform. We can also generate subtitles for the video. Click on subtitles, generate the captions, and Veed will create subtitles from the voiceover. Now we can choose the subtitle style. I will choose this style right here. Next up, we want to change the aspect ratio to a YouTube Shorts format. So change it to 9:16, and as you can see, now the video is perfectly shaped for a YouTube short. Then we can move the captions slightly so they sit in the right position for a YouTube short. Now what we can also do is add animations. Select the clip, go to animation and add something like zoom effect or a drop animation. You don't want to overdo it, but adding small animations can make the video feel much more dynamic. Just go through the video and add these effects wherever they actually fit. Now our video is pretty much finished, and as you can see, you can take a rather complicated AI niche like this and make these videos pretty easily with Veed. And this is why Veed is so useful for this workflow. Instead of using one tool for the script, another tool for AI video generation, and another tool for editing, you can bring the full AI video workflow together in one platform. All that's left now is adding background music. You can add music inside the editor, or you can add it later when uploading the short. For this example, I want to show you the raw clip.
If someone makes fun of your height, don't get defensive or try to laugh it off. That's a huge mistake because it shows their comment actually affected you. Instead, stay calm, look at them, and say, "Yeah, I'm not the tallest, but it's crazy that you need to make someone smaller just to feel bigger yourself." This is the exact moment they realize the joke is no longer about your height. It's about their insecurity.
And as you can see, we created this AI video pretty quickly. This is the same kind of workflow I use to grow my own AI video channel. If you want to try Veed yourself, I will leave the link in the description. And if you're struggling with growing on YouTube, building your own channel or getting views, make sure to check out my community. Inside you get direct access to me and I will help you grow your YouTube channel step by step.